Welcome, friends. This is show you an application, voice over IP application that you can use, called Line 2. It's called Line, Line 2, and supposedly, as you see here, you should be able to make calls, voice over IP. You should be able to make calls from your mobile phone using the 3G connection that you have, or over the internet, as I have 5 bars. Even now, I should be able to make the call, but I'm going to try to make a call that I've done previously, and I do not want it to go over my cellular line direct. And as soon as I tried it, it says call failed. Line 2 was unable to place your call using any of your enabled calling methods. The only method that I've enabled is voice over IP. If you like, the call can be placed using cellular direct, which I don't want. So, never mind. I'll end it and I'll try it again. Again, the call has failed. Never mind. And I'll try it again, right here in San Francisco. Again, call is direct. I'm talking about pure voice over IP and not cellular direct. Which, if I was being charged per minute, I would be charged per minute by using a cellular direct. But I have an unlimited plan. But I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes. That if I was trying to avoid my plan, if I had a charge per minute plan or prepaid, and I wanted to make a free voice over IP call using only the data, and I have 5 bars of cellular signal, and my 3G network is showing working, the call is still not going through. 3G network is alive on the upper screen, and 5 bars of cellular. So the call should go through, but it's not going through. I'm in my apartment or in the home, and I don't know, folks. But this is what goes on here in the States. But if you're in Europe and other places, like I've used this in Germany, Switzerland years ago, over a decade plus ago, they had similar services, and they always worked. I never had a problem. Clear signals and everything. But here, wobbly signals, garbled, and so on and so forth. We've got to really get our act together, my friends. As Americans, North Americans, people that have led the world in so much, yet we're falling behind. We've really got to get our acts together. I tell you, we really do. Or we're going to be in the garbage can of global commerce and technology. We may end up worse than our south of the border neighbors or emerging economies if we keep this up. So this is a travesty. Something as simple as this, a voice over IP call via data network, which is working, and it's telling you should dial cellular direct, and you're showing a good signal above here, showing a good 1 bar short of full all bars, or 1 bar short of full bars, which is 6 bars here, but I'm showing 5 out of 6. 3G network, the arrows are showing up and down, lighted, so they're working, but yet the voice over IP calls are not going out. So I don't want to question Line 2's integrity. Maybe I need another voice over IP program, but folks, this is to let you know, get the right voice over IP program, and preferably, if you can, get a higher end Android phone like the LG Optimus 2X, which this is not, or the newer versions of the Samsung Galaxy 2S or the Samsung Beam, BEAM, etc. Those higher end Android phones, 4 inches and above screens, HDMI out and all of that. Get those phones. You might not have these problems. Thanks. Be well.